We are learning to draw the model shown on the right side of the screen. On the standard toolbar, select New. Select Part Document. Click OK. From the Feature Manager tree, select Top Plane. Click the Sketch icon from the context menu. Draw a corner rectangle from the origin. Put the isometric view and let's dimension it 100. The width is 40. Click the Picture tab. Click Extrude board base. So extrude 10 mm. Click OK. Select the face. Click Sketch on the contextual menu. Normal tool. Let's draw a line from the edge of the base. Make sure it's coincident. Follow the inference line. Click and draw a tangent arc by bringing the cursor down and move up. Look at the inference. We are drawing a 180-degree arc. Click. Click the edge again, and we end the sketch. Okay, dimension the arc center to the edge here 50. This distance 35. The arc radius is 20. So now the sketch is fully defined. Let's go to Feature tab, Extrude Boss Base. Okay, reverse the direction and make it 10 mm. Click this face again and click Sketch. Normal tool. We are going to draw a corner rectangle coincident to the edge. So now we are going to add relation. Add relation. Make sure you clear all the selection. Click this edge and this edge. Make it collinear. Clear the selection. This edge and this edge collinear. Okay. Let's dimension the height of the rectangle 3 mm. Go to Feature tab, Extrude Cut, True All. Okay, now we are going to draw 2 holes. Select this face, click Sketch, Normal tool, Draw circle. If the dimension is not given, just give any dimension. So make it 10. This one also 10. Diameter 10. The distance from the center to the edge 12. Center to the edge 12. Give a relation. Center of this clear and this center horizontal. Next, give another dimension. That's from the top edge to the center. Okay, give a distance of 12 also. So the sketch is fully defined. Go to the feature tab, click cut, extrude cut. Through all. Next we are going to draw a counter bore on this page here. Click the whole wizard. Select counter bore. ANSI metric for standard, and the type is hexagonal cap screw, size M8 through all. Go to position, click normal tool. Let's add a relation. Click relation, select this up and this counter bore. Clear selection first. Let's add relation. This point and the up here, make it concentric. Okay, close the whole wizard, and now we have a counter bore. Next we're going to have a 6 mm fillet. So click the fillet here, select, make it 6 mm, constant radius, click the edge here, click this edge also, and the bottom this edge also, and click OK. Okay, click isometric view. So now we have the fillet nicely done. So we are going to do a final fillet, which is 3 mm. So go to fillet, set to 3 mm. select here also, select this one and select this edge as well. OK, click OK. Now we have completed our model. Thanks for watching the video.